Dear students, in this video I will tell you some important things about the factorization. There are mainly the factorization means. What is the meaning of the factorization? If we have the terms like this, these are not the factorized. These are not the factorized because in between the plus sign, minus sign. But when we have the terms like this, in one bracket a plus b and in another bracket c plus d, there is no sign between the two brackets. There is no sign. No sign doesn't mean that there is no sign. There is a multiplication sign. Then we can say this is the factorized. Also factorized a plus b upon c plus d. This is also factorized because we cannot write in terms of the other term, because this is the factorized, the one term. You can say that this is the one term. So a plus b into in other bracket c plus d into in other bracket d plus e and so on. So especially you have to use the bracket and there is no sign between the two brackets, only multiplication sign, means no plus or minus sign. First thing of the factorization, that is taking common. How to take common the numbers? In this case, this is very simple and very easy. First of all, you see the number, digits. If digits you can take common, so first you take the common digit. Here is 25, here is 5, means 5 you can take common because 5 is present here. So 5 first you take common. Then in the variable, the minimum power, if it is present, the variable a is present in both the side, both the terms, then you can take the common of minimum power of the variable. There is one power, there is two power. So power a, one power you can take, means only a. Similarly b square and it is the power 1, so b also you can take common. It is c to the power and c square, also c you can take common. Then in the bracket what you will have? 5 5s are 25, means 5 you will have. Then a square you have taken common, a from the a square means 1a only. B also, 1b also, and c you have taken and only one c is there, so no c you will have in the first term. Then minus sign, 5 ones are 5, no need to write the 1 if any other number is in multiplication. Then a common, b also common, but c you can write. This is the factorization, means taking common. Second example of the taking common is 8x cubed minus 6x square plus 10x. Then how to take common? First the digit. Here in 8, 6, 10, only 2 is the common multiple. 2 number is common multiple of all the digits. So 2 you can take common, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s. Then minimum power of x is 1. So only x you can take common. What you will have in the bracket? 2 4s are x square because it is 3 and it is 1. So subtract, or you can divide x cube by x, means x square only, minus 3, 2 3s are 6, x square upon x, that is x. Then 2 5s are 10 and x common. So this is the answer. But the second type, making the group. How to make a group? Before making the group, you have to think about the taking common, because every type you have to use in the questions. How to use the every time? If x square, xy, 1 plus y cube, you can see you cannot take common any variable or any digits from this group. So you have to multiply xy into this, x square plus xy plus xy square and plus y cube. Then make a group. After making the group, you can take common. Take the group x square plus xy and take the two more group here. Here from here you can take common x, then x plus y you will have, then plus take common y square from these two. So x, here x only, and plus y. Then again x plus y in both the terms you can take common again x plus y. So in this term you will have only x, in this term you will have only y square. So x plus y into x plus y square, this is the answer. So these are the two very basic factorization, taking common and making group. So you have to, now the third type, how will you find the factorization if you have the difference of the squares of the two number, like a square minus b square, because you know a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Using this concept you can factorize the third type. And there is a question like 150 minus 6a square. So how to factorize of this? You can see there is no common element, you cannot make group. But if you think a common element is there, 6 at 150, so 6 you can take common, because 150 divided by 6 also. So 6 2s are 12 and 6 5s are 30 minus a square. In this case, after finding this one, this is not the factorized. Factorized completely means thereafter no chance of the factorization. Now you can take the square of 5 this inside the big bracket and a whole square. Now you use this formula, a square minus b square. So you have 5 plus a and 5 minus a. This is the factorization. This is the one example, very easy example. Second example of this is 9x square minus 4y plus 2x whole square. In this case, you can see there is no common element, digits also and variable also. But you can change. If you have the perfect square number and between the minus sign, then you must think about this formula, a square minus b square. This you can write as the 3x whole square, and this you can write, because this is the 2 square and it is already square, so you can use the middle bracket and y plus 2x then whole square, because 2 square that is 4 and y plus 2x square. Now it will be changed into the a square minus b square formula. This you consider as a and this you consider as b, and use the formula 3x a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Then 3x plus 2y plus 2x in one bracket, and in second bracket multiplication 3x minus, when you use the minus sign then always use the bracket, that is 2y plus 2x and middle bracket. Then you simplify. After simplification, 3x plus 2y plus 4x in one bracket, and in second bracket 3x minus 2y and minus 4x. So it will be 7x plus 2y and minus x minus 2y. Then minus also you can take common from this bracket. So minus just outside the bracket, 7x plus 2y and x plus 2y. This is the simplest form, and thereafter you cannot take common, even you cannot simplify. So this is the factorization. Now the one more example of the same type, a square minus b square, that is 9 minus x square plus 2xy minus y square. In this case also you can see that there is no common element, and there is no, means you cannot make group also, and but there are the terms, some terms is the perfect square, means you can use this formula, but especially if 3 square minus x square, 3 plus x, 3 minus x, but in this case you will not get the 3 plus x and 3 minus x. How to do? There is some formula. If you see this full question, then there is a formula. If you see this one, then it will be x square plus 2xy, if it is plus, then plus y square, x plus y whole square, or x minus y whole square. How to change? Minus sign, if you take common, then you will get x square minus 2xy and plus y square. Then can you guess the formula? Yes, because it is the x minus y whole square. And thereafter you can write this as 3 square x minus y whole square, and you use this formula, a square minus b square is equal to 3 plus x minus y in one bracket, and 3 again use the minus a plus b and a minus b. So a minus, when you use the minus sign, the bracket should be there. Then 3 plus x minus y and 3 minus x plus y. This is the factorization. Thank you.